Hello student, how are you? My name is Geeta Bhoj and today I am teaching you lesson number 1, Nouns and its kind, from the book of The New English Grammar Tree for ICIC Work. ठीक है, पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? नाउन. नाउन मीन्स इन हिंदी उसको संज्ञा कहते हैं. नाउन्स किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नेम, किसी थिंग्स का नेम, एनिमल्स का नेम, इट इज कॉल्ड नाउन. यहाँ पे डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन है. फर्स्ट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. प्रॉपर नाउन नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, किसी स्पेसिफिक पीपल का या प्लेस का नाम, लाइक जॉन, रवि, सुरेश, ये किसी व्यक्ति के नाम है. या फिर एनिमल्स में लायन, टाइगर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. कॉमन नाउन. कॉमन नाउन इज अ क्लास. एक क्लास होता है. जैसे दो बॉयज के नेम है, सुरेश एंड रमेश, तो वो कौन से क्लास में आते हैं? बॉयज. तो बॉय क्या हो गया? एक क्लास हो गया. तो इट इज अ बॉय इज अ कॉमन नाउन. लेडी, गर्ल्स, एक्सेट्रा. देन काउंटेबल नाउन. काउंटेबल नाउन कैन बी काउंटेड, जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं एक चीज या अनेक चीजों में. कॉइन, कॉइन्स, पेन, पेंसिल्स, these are countable nouns. Uncountable. Uncountable, they are also called in a mass nouns and it cannot be counted. For example, milk, food, water. Next is a concrete noun. Concrete noun आर दोज कैन बी टच्ड और सीन, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं या हमारे 5 सेंसरी ऑर्गन से हम उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं. दिस इज कॉन्क्रीट नाउन. लाइक टेबल, फ्लावर, टीचर. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कैन नॉट बी फेल्ड बाय द 5 सेंस. बिलीव, लव, हैप्पीनेस, एंगर. This is the example of this abstract noun. Material noun. Material noun refer to a material or substance. कोई भी चीज जिसे नेचर प्रोड्यूस करता है या हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उसको कहते हैं मटेरियल नाउन. लाइक सिल्वर, गोल्ड, आयरन, कॉटन. These are the examples of material noun. Compound noun. Compound noun when two other nouns combine to form a one single noun, it is called a compound noun. It is made up of 2 or more words like textbook, bedroom, football. And next is a collective noun. Collective noun refer to a group of things as in a one whole, जो हमें एक कलेक्शन बताता है. लाइक आर्मी ऑफ सोल्जर्स, हर्ड ऑफ काउज, पैक ऑफ कार्स, स्वॉर्म ऑफ बीज, फ्लोक ऑफ बर्ड्स. ओके, एंड दे आर कलेक्टिव नाउन्स हैव फिक्स यूजेस. इन अ पर्टिकुलर collective noun goes with a particular group of people. Like an army of clothes. It is not a pile of soldiers. It is fixed army of soldiers. अभी हम आगे देखेंगे इस लेसन के रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, fill in the noun form of the words provided in the bracket. First, his dash is at 7 o'clock. यूज करना है अराइव को इन द नाउन फॉर्म में. सो करेक्ट इज अ अराइवल. हिज अराइवल इज एट 7 o'clock. वो 7 बजे आएगा. The dash and humidity in the weather saps everyone's energy. Hot noun form is heat. The heat and humidity in the weather saps everyone's energy. Third, the dash before her frighten her. Correct answer is the sight for her frighten her. 4. His dash of physics made him the favorite of our physics teacher. So his knowledge, the knowledge of physics made him the favorite our physics teacher. 5. Dash is something no human being should have to fight for. Equality, ekta, is something no human being should have to fight for. 6. His father took great dash in telling people about his son's result. Answer, pride. His father took great pride in telling people about his son's result. अब पिता को अपने बच्चों के रिजल्ट दूसरे को बताने में एक गौरव फील होता है. प्राइड मीन्स गौरव, प्राउड फील होता है. 7. Mr. Ram has lost a lot of lately. So correct weight का correct answer is weight. Mr. Ram has lost a lot of weight lately. 8. His dash at her concert mean a lot of his daughter. Answer, his presence at her concert mean a lot to his daughter. 9. Dash is precious, do not waste. So life is precious and do not waste. 10th, dash comes before fall. Proud, तो proud का noun form is a pride. Pride comes before fall. गिरने से पहले अभिमान आता है. So correct answer is pride. B is related the concrete noun in the first column with the abstract noun in the second column. Concrete noun are those that can be touched and seen. An abstract noun, it is a feeling. It is a felt by 5 sense. Sugar क्या होता है? स्वीट होता है. तो इस abstract noun क्या होगा शुगर का? स्वीटनेस. Knife is sharp. तो abstract noun is sharpness. See, feel the vastness. Tower, top, height, it is indicate the height. Tower, height. Snake, snake को अगर हम देखेंगे तो डर लगेगा ना. It is a abstract noun is fear. Wrestler, strength. Dolphins are intelligence. Snow, cold. Fire, heat. And dog for loyalty. Next, question number C. यहाँ पे क्या है? Pick out all the countable and uncountable nouns from the sentence below. Countable जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं और uncountable they are in a mass nouns. Question number 1. The supermarket is quite close to our house. तो यहाँ पे supermarket और house, these are countable nouns. Second, how did you get paint on your clothes? तो paint and clothes. Third, it is said that anger is one's worst enemy. Answer is anger and enemy. Anger is a uncountable abstract noun है. 4. We always have shortage of water in summer. Answer shortage, water and summer. 5. Sufficient sleep is vital for good health. एक अच्छी नींद हमारे गुड हेल्थ के लिए महत्वपूर्ण होती है. सो आंसर इज यहाँ पे काउंटेबल और स्लीप एंड हेल्थ. 6. पार्क द पार्क इन the park in front of our school has been closed. Answer park and school are countable nouns. 7. Various tests are used to measure people's intelligence. So taste, people and intelligence are answer. 8. It is said that silence speaks louder than words. Answer silence and words. 9. The news of the police army's march was received with much joy. Answer is news, army, march and joy. 10. The white clouds dotted the sky. Answer is clouds, sky. ठीक है, अभी हम लास्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. डी में क्या है? आइडेंटिफाई द नाउन इन दिस सेंटेंस एंड क्लासीफाई देम. तो गिवन क्वेश्चन में से हमें पहले नाउन्स को फाइंड आउट करना है, फिर उसको क्लासीफाई करना है कि वो इट इज़ प्रॉपर है, काउंटेबल है, अनकाउंटेबल, लाइक दिस. तो फर्स्ट, पीपल शुड बी मोर केयरफुल एंड स्टॉप यूजिंग प्लास्टिक. सो पीपल एंड प्लास्टिक. पीपल क्या है? इट इज़ अ क्लास इंडिकेट करता है, तो इट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. प्लास्टिक इज अ मटेरियल, सो इट इज़ अ मटेरियल नाउन. Second, the army has 20 battalions and each battalion has 50 soldiers. So army, battalions and soldiers. So army it is a collective noun. Battalion, it is also collective noun. Soldiers is a common noun. Soldiers is indicate a class. Third, the legs of the table are made of iron while the tabletop is made of wood. Answer, legs, table, tabletop, these are common noun, and iron and wood, these are material, it is a material noun. For Zaza, my golden retriever, gave birth to a litter of puppies. So यहाँ पे नाउन क्या है? झाजा आएगा, गोल्डन रिट्रीवर आएगा and litter of puppies. So Zaza is a proper noun. Golden retriever is a common noun because it is a breed. Birth is abstract noun. Litter is a collective noun. And puppies is a common noun. 5. The white snow covered the green lawn. Snow and lawn are the common noun. 6. Lionel was upset when the ball hit the goalpost and went out play. तो यहाँ पे Lionel आएगा, goalpost and ball. तो Lionel is a proper noun. किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है. बॉल, गोल पोस्ट एंड ग्राउंड, दीज आर द कॉमन नाउन. 7. I was going to watch the blockbuster movie with my friends from school when it started to rain heavily. So blog and movie, friends and school are common noun. 8. The cotton dress is very pretty but unsuitable for this weather. Answer: dress, weather. Dress is a common noun and weather is a abstract noun. 9. Rohit grew up surrounded by a large extended family. रोहित इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन किसी व्यक्ति का नाम है और फैमिली इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. 10th, this road loads to the stadium, that one leads to St. John Square. Answer is road and stadium is a common noun and St. James Square is a proper noun. 11. The counterfeit banknotes were confiscated by the honest police officer. Means जाली नोट जो ऑनेस्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर ने जब्त किए. सो काउंटरफीट. हियर बैंक नोट्स एंड ऑफिसर आर कॉमन नाउन. 12. They had to cancel the examination due to the heavy rain. Examination is an abstract noun and rain for common noun. 13. The man was so scared that he did not stop running till he reached the market. यहाँ पे noun क्या है? Man and market, and both are common noun. 14. There are no ghosts in this house. 14. There are no ghosts in this house. Answer is ghost, abstract noun, and house is a common noun. Ghost को हम देख नहीं सकते ना, it is a feeling, so it is an abstract noun. 15. It is impossible to finish the homework with so much distraction. Answer is homework and distraction, and both are abstract nouns. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.